In today's video, I'm gonna translate the sentence written on the screen. Let me first read the text. I came across this sentence in a Zulu storybook. Please help me with the translation or explanation, especially for the second half of the sentence. The sentence that I'm gonna read is written in isiZulu, a Zulu language. Kwakugcwele abantu phezulu, kungathi izindlu ezinesitezi, kumi abantu emavalanda, bebheke abantu abemi ogwini, bebaqhweba bevalelisa. So now we're gonna translate the sentence. Let's start with the first part. Kwakugcwele abantu phezulu. This translates to it was full of people on top, implying the top floor. Then follows kungathi izindlu ezinezitezi. This translates to looking like double-story houses. Kumi abantu emavalanda. This simply means people standing on the verandas. And then we move to the following part of the sentence. Bebheke abantu abemi ogwini. This can be translated to looking at the people by the seashore. Bebaqhweba bevalelisa, which can be translated to waving, sending goodbyes. Now let's read the whole sentence. Kwakugcwele abantu phezulu, kungathi izindlu ezinezitezi, kumi abantu emavalanda, bebheke abantu abemi ogwini, bebaqhweba bevalelisa. It was full of people on top, implying the top floor, looking like double-story houses, people standing on the verandas, looking at the people by the seashore, waving, sending goodbyes. Thank you for watching. That is all for today's video. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like the video and drop your comment.